Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're a busy person, then you know how important it is to have a really fast charger. That's one reason I have come to rely on this charger from SCOSCHE. I just got an iPhone 14 last month, and I'm using this charger to make sure that I can get a full battery really quickly. So I've noticed that it does charge much faster than just the standard chargers out there. The other thing that I like about this is how compact it is. I've noticed that other chargers I have are at least twice this size, and this is just 1.25 inches. So that makes it easy to plug in other things when I have it on the outlet. This USB-C charger can be used for USB-C to C, to A, or to a lightning cable like on my iPhone. It can be used for many different brands as well, not just Apple, but Google, Samsung, and many others. I think this is a great charger to have on hand, and that's my point of view.